Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. I have ordered this Crenova Laminator from Amazon, and I thought I'd share the unboxing with you guys. And of course, I will leave the link in the description box so you can have the link just in case you are interested. So it is quite a large box. So let's get this open. Okay, so it says Crenova dual mode hot and cold laminator. That is really, really cool. I'm super excited. And it is packaged very nicely. The packaging, the box itself, it is not flimsy. It is not flimsy at all. So we are going to read this in a little bit. And here is a cutter. It did say it came with a cutter. So here is a cutter that it comes with. That is so super cool. We are ready to go. Look at that. And it does have a corner rounder, which is pretty cool, actually. Now let me set that aside. And it does come with some laminating sheets of various sizes, it looks like. Look at this great big one. I am going to measure that and tell you. Okay. Wow. This laminating sheet is 12 inches wide by 16 3/4 inch long. Wow, that is huge. I mean, can you imagine what this thing is going to laminate for you? It comes apparently in, you know, it's large, so it can laminate a very large piece for you. So let's set that aside. And let's continue opening this box. And this is the laminator. Guys, this is big. Oh my goodness. Okay. So there's something else in here. We'll take that out. And we are going to remove the box. There's nothing else in here. This is a nice sturdy box. So it was very safe on the way here. And let us see. Oh my goodness, this is huge. It is huge, guys. All right, what I am going to do is I am going to pause you guys for a little bit and read some instructions. Okay, guys, I have read the instructions, and this light will flash while it's warming up. And once it warms up, it will turn a solid green, like the power button. And on the side is your button for hot and cold laminating. And then the release button is this one on the back right here. If you get something that's stuck, move it to the left, pull your item out, and then release the button, and it'll be operational again. So the instructions are very, very basic. So, but they do offer a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase, which is awesome. And all you have to do is email them with your order ID and the problem details, and they'll get back to you within 1 day. So I also saw this little booklet here, and it says contact us to get a free gift. You can either get the 100 pack of laminating pouches or 36 pack of color file folders. How do I get it? Choose your favorite gift, email us, and they provided their email address, and on the subject line, put a free gift, your Amazon ID order number, and the choice, A or B. That's really cool, guys. So not only do you get the cutter and the corner rounder, you also get another free gift. So this is really awesome. I love that. So what I am going to do is I'm going to wait for this to heat up, and I am going to prepare a pouch so we can laminate it, maybe cut it down, and see how that works. Okay, guys, I am using the largest pouch that they sent me, and the only reason that I'm going to do that is because I want to go ahead and try out their cutter and their corner rounder. So my work surface is kind of small, so I'm going to pull my machine closer to me so that the laminating sheet has space to back up into. Oop, I accidentally turned it off. Okay, but it's hot. All right, guys, let us put this in there. And there it goes. We'll see it come out the back in just a little bit. I really truly do love the fact that this is such a large laminating pouch, and you can do some big projects on there. Here it comes. So I'm gonna hold it up a little bit just because I have stuff back there and I don't want it to get caught on anything. But so far it is looking good, guys. I don't see any bubbles. I don't see any wrinkles. Oh my goodness, that looks good. We are actually going to score this as well. I keep my instructions for just about everything. So I'm going to keep these instructions and they will be laminated. And it does say to unplug when not in use. Of course, that is a really good idea. So I am just loving how this is looking. Of course, we never pull. Oh, there it goes. All right, guys, look at that. Nice, clear lamination. I'm going to turn it off. Here is the power button. So I'm going to turn it off. And it's got for the cold lamination. If you're going to laminate anything after you've laminated something hot, you need to let it cool down for about 10 minutes. So let me remove the machine from my work surface. Unplug it. And oh my goodness, I am loving this. All right, guys, so here is my laminated instructions, and I want to take a closer look, and everything looks great on there. I mean, the adhesion is perfect. Okay, guys, let us cut this down. So I am going to put it this way. I think I need to move the blade. Oh, nope, no, okay. I'm going to move the blade up, and here is the cutter. Oh, there we go. So I'll put it straight, align it straight. Let me see where the cut guide is. There it is. So your cut guide, your little channel is down there at the bottom. So this is lined up. I'm gonna hold it with my hand. Perfect, easy, look at that. I mean, you cannot see it, guys. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. So you can't see this, but it is crystal clear. I mean, there are no spots, no bubbles, no nothing. Look at that. That is awesome. I love it so far. Okay, guys, now let us round the corners, because who wants sharp corners, right? There we go. It is cut. So it's a little harder to do plastic on the corner rounders, but you saw that the first one came off easy. The second one, not as easy, but it still came off. It's still cut. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and score that so I can fold it back up. And I am going to score it on this side. I'm going to put my line right here so I know where to score. Let me get my score tool, see how well it scores. Because we do score quite a bit. Hopefully my head's not in the way. Scores well, it feels good. Okay, move my scoreboard. And let us fold and see what that looks like. And of course, you know, it's laminated, so we always have to burnish a laminated sheet if we're gonna score or fold. And there we go, guys. Nice, look at that. Nice laminated. The score, the crease did not make, you know, did not make the paper come apart on both sides. It still looks really good. Guys, as far as this Crenova Laminator, I give it a 2 thumbs up. And let me know if you have any questions. I love it. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much.